This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if, necessary. Then at the search bar, type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which, as you will see now, does not take a lot of time at all. Onwards, launch the app, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or set it right away as your default browser app. And finally, at this page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.